Hello everyone, this is Arif Khan and today we are going to talk about parenting. In this episode, we have our guest Shivani, who is a psychologist and a behavior therapist. She has 3 years of experience and she conducts a lot of workshops in schools and colleges to create awareness about mental health related issues. She has own clinic, Little Warrior Child Development Center, which is in Hyderabad. Shivani, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi Arif, thanks.
लाइक बहुत सारे मदर्स का क्वेश्चन यही होता है कि हाउ टू डील विद स्टबर्न किड्स.
Now every mother has a different definition of stubbornness. I think stubbornness is a part of childhood. I believe हम सब लोग stubborn होके ही यहाँ तक आए is what I believe. Now I feel instead of naming your kid that he is stubborn, I will suggest all the parents, especially to my parents, I always tell that instead of asking क्यों ऐसे behave कर रहा है, हम लोगों को ये इम्पोर्टेंट है ये जानो कि क्यों ऐसे बिहेव कर रहा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ नेमिंग दैट द किड इज स्टबर्न, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई ही इज बीइंग स्टबर्न. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट रीजंस फॉर द किड टू बी स्टबर्न. सो फर्स्ट हम लोग को ये जानना है कि बच्चा स्टबर्न हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. आरंट वी गिविंग एनफ टाइम फॉर देम? Are there any issues the kid is struggling at school or at home? We need to understand the reason for being stubborn. Now most of the parents has this complaint that whenever we go to any malls or something, no, if the kid wants something, no, he wants it, or else he'll get onto the floor, he'll be crying, he'll be shouting, he'll be screaming. So first you need to understand. So now when you go to a mall, before going you have to tell that you need to be like a good bacha, and what you need to ask mama, and mama will explain you that if I should buy this for you or if I shouldn't buy this for you. And if I am buying, you need to be an obedient kid. So before going out, the parent need to make the kid understand. Now if kid is being stubborn, not understanding, then did you do the same thing every time? Now most of the kids, I think it's the parents' fault. So from the beginning only, whatever the kid is asking, you will give everything. Now after an age, you stop buying because the kid is growing. Now you can't expect the kid to understand. So हम लोगों को सबसे पहले से ही ध्यान रखना है कि क्या चीज़ मैं उसको दिला दूँ और क्या चीज़ मैं उसको ना दिलाऊँ. और पहले से ही हम लोग को ये कंसिडर करना है हमारे बच्चा कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है सिचुएशन में और पब्लिकली में. So I think parents need to understand why he is being stubborn instead of just saying ये stubborn है. So parents are someone who will understand much better than anyone else. You need to understand why the kid is being stubborn. आपको reason पता होगा, then it is very much easy to work on his stubborn behavior. Yes.
राइट. एंड आई थिंक लेबल कर देना कि लाइक मेरा किड बहुत स्टबर्न है, दिस इज ऑल्सो मेकिंग हिम इवन मोर स्टबर्न.
और ये बच्चों को ये समझ में आता है कि अभी मैं रोऊंगा तो मम्मा दिला देगी. सो किड्स आर प्रीटी मच स्मार्टर देन us, so they will cry obviously. So आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, if they are crying one time they'll cry, second time they'll cry, third time they'll cry, fourth time they'll automatically stop. When your kid is crying unnecessarily that I need this, then you don't have to pay attention. अभी आपको दिलाना है so आप दिलाओ, बट ये मत करो एवरी टाइम कि आप रोऊंगा तो मैं दिला दूंगा. सो दिस इज एन एस्केपिंग बिहेवियर द किड ट्राइज टू शो. सो नाउ हम लोग को ये पता होता है कि आई विल गो नाउ इफ आई आस्क 30,000 का toy which my parents can't afford, and but still our parents try to take get money from here and there and they try to buy the toy. So now I will not understand what financial situation my parents are coming from. So the second time also I will do it. So a parent needs to make the kid understand that this is our boundaries, and in this boundaries only we need to afford things. So अभी बच्चा रो रहा है, so they will cry just to escape from the situation, and they are pretty much aware मैं रोऊंगा तो मेरा parents दिला देंगे. So when your kid is crying, first thing you need to do is try to make them calm. Once they are calm, try to make them understand situation ऐसा ऐसा है. So next time I will try to give you. Now if the kid is crying नहीं मेरे को ये particular toy चाहिए, तो वो toy का value kid को समझ में आना चाहिए, and then only you should buy. So I think showing your love is good, but showing excessive is not good. because I think initially में when the kids are very small, all the parents find it very attractive, very cute that मेरे बच्चा ऐसा है ऐसा है ऐसा है. But as they grow, no, they all the parents will have complained that he is very stubborn, he doesn't listen, he wants everything and all. Now I think recently this is out of the question, but I would like to address is that recently most of the kids are into this PUBG game where you
Right,
need
right.
to invest money into that. Parents are not aware that kids are doing such things. I think we need to keep an eye on our kids that what they are doing. So लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि ऐसी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना वेरी बैड थिंग. सो दे आर नॉट अवेयर द किड्स आर डूइंग इट. सो आई थिंक ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारा फॉल्ट ही है एज एन एल्डरली पीपल. वी नीड टू मेक आवर किड्स अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई से दैट डोंट लेबल द किड इज stubborn. So try to understand why they are being stubborn. So that is the first thing.
How to understand mood swings of child?
अभी देखो हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करना ज़रूरी है, लंच करना ज़रूरी है, डिनर करना ज़रूरी है और होमवर्क्स करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई फील दैट everyone should understand what is our capacity or what's our kids capacities. Now if you see schools, we have 8 subjects and 8 subjects ka they will give you homework. Not everyone will be capable of doing 8 homeworks every single day. So वो लोगों के ऊपर बहुत सारा प्रेशर हो जा रहा है. So no matter PP1, PP2, first, second, I think the pressure is going on with all the kids. So mood swings के बारे में again. So for every behavior, I will say that you need to answer why this behavior. Why? What is the reason that my kid is showing this behavior? When you understand what reason the kid is showing, why the kid is showing, then it is easy for all of us to do it. Now mood swings के बारे में I think not every day will be good. So kids के साथ भी ये होता है, not every day will be good. So first thing we need to make them understand that your emotions are very much important. Your emotions are very much valid. So whenever you're feeling low, you need to express. I think this thing we all need to educate our upcoming generation, because some way we all not learned that, because still today you can see that when a boy is crying we all say that abhi aap ladke ho kya, aap kyun ro rahe ho. Abhi
Right.
if girl is crying, this is what she does. अभी लड़की है इसीलिए रो रही है. ऐसा नहीं है. See, emotions don't understand which gender you belong to. From the beginning only, as a kid only, if our parents are teaching that it's okay to express your emotions, I think that's when our emotions will be equally valid. From the beginning only, if you are ignoring, abhi aap ladke ho, you have to be strong, you can't cry, you should not be upset. I think this all are somewhere conditioned in our mind. So that's why we don't try to show these emotions. So I think one of my people I have known, so whenever he used to cry, I used to tell, that's fine to cry. He said, no, that is not fine. I'm a boy and I'm not supposed to cry openly. So what is this thing that I still don't understand? So I think we all been conditioned in that way. So I think emotions needs to be accepted. Abhi, if your kid is crying and parents are busy, just pay attention for 5 minutes. Understand why your kid is crying. Is it something happened in the school or at home? Something happened with the personal life. So you need to understand and then try to help them out. So now most of the time after everything has happened, then we'll wonder that my kid should have told me. He should have spoke about all of these things. So I think it's better that we understand every single day. It's important to ask your kid, how was your day? Are you feeling good? Are you having any emotions as such? So these things we have to keep an eye.
Usually na, like kids, they hit other kids, so how can we stop them?
पहली बात हम लोगों को when we are kid only, we are conditioned about every behavior that we have. So there are 2 things that we learn from the behavior. One, if I see someone doing that, and if it's a bad behavior, if no one is stopping, I try to learn that behavior. That अभी आप मेरे को मार रहे हो और बच्चे ने देख लिया, and if I'm not reverting back to you and telling that this is the bad thing, the kid will understand and try to implement the same thing outside. And there are other reasons the kid do. Now if a parent is dominant and tries to hit the other kid, the kid will go to a recessive to whatever his age. वो लोगों को जाके मारेगा. He will not hit someone who is dominant.
Right.
So this is the circle that's going on. So initially only we have to make our kids understand that hitting is a bad behavior. Now if a kid is hitting, there are only two reasons: either they have learned this behavior, they have seen that behavior, नहीं तो वो लोग जाके जो भी वो लोगों का मजबूत रेसिसिव होता है ना, वो लोगों को जाके मारेंगे. So when again you can't be very strict and tell that this is a bad behavior, now I'll punish you. You should not say that. Now we should ask them, why did you hit? So you know, right, hitting is a bad habit. Whenever we are talking with a kid, we have to be very calm and composed. We need to make them understand that क्यों ये behavior आपको project नहीं करना है, क्यों आपको ये behavior नहीं करना है. So we have to be calm and tell them that ऐसा गलत है ना आपको मारना. So this is a very bad habit, and can you say sorry to the person? So I will tell everyone that आप इंसान के लिए मत बोलो. Whenever you're taking care of the thing also, now most of the time this is a pillow or this is a phone and I throw it. This is how I value. So the same value I build with a human also. Like क्या रे आपने ऐसे क्यों किया? So the language. If I am very careful with the mobile I'm using and just keeping it, then I know how to value the other person as well. So we need to teach our kids that value things, then only you will learn how to value humans. So whenever you're using thing badly, you have to say sorry. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो non living thing है and we don't have to say sorry. So we have to include all of these things into our kids, that when you are doing a bad behavior, consciously or subconsciously, you have to go say sorry. Now हर kid ऐसा होता है कि वो intention से नहीं करता है. मतलब अभी कुछ झगड़ा हो गया मस्ती मजाक में, वो सीरियस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, वो गुस्सा आके उसको फ्रेंड को मारता है, बट उसका इंटेंशन वो नहीं होता है. सो गुस्से में हुआ है, इसीलिए वो लोग उसको मारा है. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट क्यों इसने ऐसा किया है. सो अगेन, is this something you have learned from the parents or someone or from the school? So then we have to teach them. So from the beginning we have to tell them that always take stand for right things. If it's a bad behavior, you have to say sorry. Abhi again in this picture the male dominance will come. अभी बच्चे ऐसे हो जा रहे, the boys particularly, they say that मैं लड़का हूँ, मैं क्यों sorry बोलूँ. So again, this thing they have learned from the families.
Right.
Yes.
And from the movies as well.
Movies as well. So हम parents को aware होना चाहिए. अभी parents feel very happy if the kid is reverting back, the male child who is saying मैं sorry क्यों बोलूँ. And parents with lot of proud and pride, they tell that मेरे बच्चे sorry ही नहीं बोलता है. So that is not something you should be happy about. You should teach that you have to be sorry whenever you are doing certain bad behavior. So this all things, I think parenting plays a major role. Parenting and school at the same time is my opinion.
How to treat loneliness in child? Like mostly अगर किसी का एक ही बच्चा है, तो what they'll do is कि अब mom अगर office जा रही है, या like if the parents are busy, so they are unable to give time to the kid, and they are left with a nanny or someone. So those kids feel so lonely. So how to deal with those kind of things?
Yes. So let me answer to this very honestly. So nannies बुरे नहीं होते हैं. To be honest, I have seen very good nannies. But whatever the love, affection a mother and father can give, nannies will not give, no matter how good they are. So I understand working is very much important. The first question I would like to ask, why parents are working? To give the best future to your kids. If you're not available to them right now, what will they do with the money that you're providing? The luxury life you're providing to your kid. So I think from the age 1 to 10 is very crucial. That's when mother, father both equally needs to allocate their time to their kids, to understand and to mold. I think this is the age where they try to build a personality and individuality. So once after college we see the environment and the society, that's when we learn the principles. But 1 to 10 is the age gap where all the parents need to be available emotionally. Now I will not agree to this point that 24 hours we all are busy. At least 1 hour तो time होगा हमारे पास where we can give it to our kid. I think that 1 hour also, whenever you are giving, no, try to give 100% rather than being busy with phone. और अभी बच्चे आके बोल रहे हैं मम्मी मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Now the parent will say that I am busy right now, I'll check with you later. And again we'll be busy with our works. I think can't you just take that 5 minutes time and understand why your kid is feeling certain way? So you try to help them and always teach them that be individual, be independent. Now your emotions will not be understood by everyone. Abhi parents busy hai, but they have to give the time that they have to. Abhi 24 hours we are not busy. 1 hour you can give to your kid. Nannies, again, you have to keep a check with the nannies, how they are treating, how they are communicating with the kid, if they are learning any bad behavior, what is the reason behind that bad behavior. And we are not so busy that we can't keep a check on all of this. First thing I would say, again, a suggestion to all the parents, try to earn enough, be settled, but by the moment you're planning a kid, stop working for 3 to 4 years, because your kid needs you. And now this is a new trend that's followed by everyone. They will give birth, the kid will be in the grandparents house. The You didn't give birth to give to your grandparents, right? I understand working is very much important, but your kid needs you, and they are learning a lot of bad behavior and they are struggling so much. Just because you want to give the best life, if you're not able to give the best life as a kid, then what life you will give once they grow up? So I think at least 1 to 2 hours, I think it's very much important for all the parents to spend, understand, and have a good family time. So 1 hour भी छोड़ो, अब week में 7 days है, at least on the weekends try to give that whole time to them. So I think we all need to balance how to give that enough time to the particular kid that's required. Yeah.
How to do potty training and what is the age for the potty training?
Yes. So now again, this is not something awkward to do it. Now, when we were kids, we used to wear that cloth ka thing. So where our parents used to be conscious that isko ye pehna hai. But now, after giving birth, after 1 or 2 months, everyone are putting diapers to the kid. When the kid is home, at least at that time, don't put diapers, because now potty training is something that is related to your senses. Now हम लोगों को खाना है. Now we are hungry, we eat it. Now हमको सुसु जाना है, we'll go do the susu. Now if I don't understand the sense of going to the washroom, I will not go. I will just do it. And diaper is comfortable for me. So now I don't know how to do it. So potty training, I think after the age of 1.5, आप लोग को immediately try करना है, because kids learn very fast. So it's very much important. And I have seen so many people. But when you're going out, that is exception. You can put diapers. But when the kid is at home, why are you putting diapers? They need to understand the senses. Now again, that is a very difficult task. I would give an example. Now for boys के लिए छोड़ो 5 years, 6 years. But for girls, it's not the same thing. So now I have seen a girl who was almost 8 or 9 years age. She doesn't know how to do potty. She doesn't know how to go for the washroom. She used to go anywhere and everywhere at her home. Initially, it was not difficult as she was a kid. Now, as she's growing, again, it's a concern. She is a girl. She needs to learn where to go to the potty. But I would say it's parents' fault. No. Now, why are you blaming it on the girl or the kid? Now, that is your fault that you didn't teach her from the beginning. Now, most of the people try to, scare the kid to put in the washroom and lock it from outside. So, this all are giving a traumatic experience for the kid. So, now, after 1.5 years, try to teach the kid. So, how you will train your kid? First of all, avoid diapers, especially when you're at home. Now, after 2 only, you will send the kid to the school. So, 1 to 2 is the age gap, the time period you're getting. So, don't wear diapers strictly. And then, after they wake up from the sleep, just give them some water and just go take them to the washroom and make them sit. When they are sitting, try to have a conversation, just pass the time. So, at a point, potty training is something that will not happen in a day or two. So it's a process. Now you have to feed them something and then take to the washroom and make them sit. So it is a slow process that's gonna take time. But don't start after the age of 3. Don't get the kid habituated with the diaper. Now if they wear the diaper, they don't have the senses of the washroom or the potty or anything. So avoid wearing them diaper. So they will learn very quickly. As they are kids, they have that capability to learn things very quickly. So I think you should avoid wearing diapers to the kids.
How to convince the kids to eat healthy food? Because nowadays क्या हो रहा है कि सबको जंक फूड ही खाना है और अगर नहीं देंगे तो they'll again do tantrums and all. तो how to encourage them to eat healthy food?
Yes. First of all, kids को तो ये आइडिया नहीं होता है कि जंक फूड खाना है. I think it's us who introduce the junk food to them. And again, now most of the parents are really conscious that sugar nahi dena hai, wo nahi dena hai, ye nahi dena hai. I think you should allow the kid naturally to grow. Sugar खा रहा है, spicy food खा रहा है. I think we all have grown up like that. हमारे मम्मी दादी वो लोग ऐसे नहीं थे कि शुगर मत दो, हाइपर हो जाएगा, स्पाइसी खाना मत दो, ये हो जाएगा. I think just leave the kid. Because our body has that power to have the control. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, ओवर नहीं करना है. अभी जंक फूड खा रहे हैं, that's fine, but the kid should also have the healthy food. So again, at a right age, we need to introduce lot of things. So as again coming to the sensory thing, so most of the kids don't prefer eating the wet items. अभी देखो mango है, which is like sticky, and sapota है, so again it is a sticky. So the kid को आप introduce ही नहीं कर रहे, so they form an habit that मेरे को ये नहीं खाना है क्योंकि I never got introduced. So at a right age, you need to introduce everything. Now again, kids show a lot of tantrums. Now as a kid, you need to make different textures, little colorful. Now you have to make them aware that अभी आपको junk खाना है, so weekly 2 days you are allowed. So एक discipline जो होता है ना, हम पहले से ही बच्चों को ये सिखाना है कि this is the discipline that you needs to be followed. So that's when you will understand, और kid भी understand करेगा कि मेरे को ऐसा नहीं करना है. From the beginning only, if you're giving everything they are asking for, they will get habituated. Again, they show the stubborn behavior, they show the tantrums. So we should be mindful, हम लोगों को कैसे सिखा रहे हैं, क्या सिखा रहे हैं. So this is one thing that we have to keep in mind. अभी सुबह होने दो. Now we will give a healthy breakfast. अभी snacks में आपको junk मिलेगा. So it should be win-win situation. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली आप healthy food ही खाओ. मम्मा तो वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट है फूड के हिसाब से, आई विल नॉट गिव यू शुगर. आई थिंक दे आर किड्स, इवन दे हैव क्रेविंग्स विच वी नीड टू satisfy the cravings, but in a limited quantity. No, we need to be aware उन लोगों को कितना देना है उतना दे दो. वीकली 2 बार दे दिया आपने जंक, that's completely fine. So that should be good to go.
ना parents cannot handle child who is crying, so how to make them calm, like how to stop them crying in public or anywhere, like usually like crying is a basic emotion I feel.
Yes,
So
it's very basic.
how to stop them like from crying?
Okay, now we are 2 individuals sitting. Are we crying?
No,
We are just talking.
right.
We have a reason that we are talking. Now same, I think crying के लिए भी एक reason होता है क्यों रो रहे हैं. So first we need to understand why the kid is crying. Is it something that hurting them or something वो लोग emotionally भी drained है. अभी sometimes without any reason also we feel upset and हम लोगों को वो emotions होते हैं. I think in kids also that is the same emotions applied. So we need to understand reason क्यों रो रहा है. It's something that hurting. Then we have to figure out stomach pain हो रहा है, नहीं तो कुछ और पेन हो रहा है. We need to understand and try to help them. वो emotional के साथ रो रहे हैं, just hug them, give them enough time. Don't talk, don't explain them, just be available to them. अभी आप रो रहे हो, that's fine. If you're crying, that's completely fine. Just relax. अब relax होने के बाद पानी दे दो थोड़ा. Then talk to them politely. क्या हुआ बच्चा, क्या हुआ? You need mama's help or papa's help. You need someone. क्या चाहिए आपको? मम्मा को बता दो. Mama will try to help you out. So when you're talking, I think talking has a more power to convince your kid. So you have to make them understand that आप इस चीज़ के लिए रो रहे हो. ठीक है मम्मा, है ना, मम्मा आपका हेल्प कर देगी. क्या हेल्प चाहिए आपको? So you have to ask them. Now always we feel so embarrassed if the kid is crying in the public places. See, I have seen so many people who are just simply, closing their mouth with a hand.
Yeah.
So I feel when it's too much burden for you, I understand it's an embarrassing situation, but understand your kid's situation. Don't try to close the mouth of your kid, because somewhere these all are the traumatic experience they go through. Now as an individual, they will not express. I think being a parent is not good enough. Be a friend along with a parent. I think that should be good to go. Now if you're forcing your kid to stop crying, the kid will not understand that मेरे को problem होगा तो मैं express कर सकता हूँ. The kid will not understand, right? So if you're closing, next time they will not express. They'll simply shut their mouths.
अगर 3.5 साल का बच्चा बोल नहीं रहा है तो what does it mean कि like उसको autism है?
Autism नहीं है. Again, the speech delay has might be autism and might be speech delay. Now most of the time we are into very nuclear families, we are not into joint families anymore. Now we don't have people around us to communicate. Now again nannies are playing an important role, but do you think so nannies will actually sit with you, entertain you? वो लोगों का काम होता है to take care of you, to feed you, that's it. They are लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड दैट आप बात कर रहे हो, आप नहीं बात कर रहे हो, आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा. बट अगेन एज अ फैमिली मेम्बर वी विल डू दैट. अभी बच्चा नहीं बात कर रहा है, क्यों नहीं बात कर रहा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल सजेस्ट इज गो टू अ पीडियाट्रिशियन और अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, evaluate बच्चा क्यों नहीं बात कर रहा है. Is it something a milestone delay? Then you have to start the therapies. Is it something with an ASD? Then you should start therapies. I am suggesting all the parents that don't wait for a longer period of time, because the longer you wait the problems will go on increasing, so it would be difficult for the kid, not for the parent. So it's not ASD or speech delay. We need to figure out why the kid is not speaking. But at the age of 12 months or 8 months we start blabbering, we start responding sounds के लिए, और हम लोग मम्मा पापा ये सब बोलते हैं the words. But if the kid is not saying anything, we need to understand क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है. So for that you need to go visit a pediatric or a psychologist. That
Right.
should be an important thing to do.
What to do if the kid of 4 years don't want to go to school?
I think that should be an individual choice. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, straightforward. I think schools are not doing really great job. Now schools are just rushing behind the marks and they want just the payment done by the parent. I think we hardly finished our school in 5 lakhs, not even 5 lakhs I would say. But now PP2, PP3 is only costing 5 lakhs. I don't know what things they are teaching the kids so much. So if a kid is not willing to go to school, first we need to understand why the kid is not going. Is it something that's related to the environment? Then stop the school. Just change the school. एंड अंडरस्टैंड आपका बच्चे को स्कूल क्यों नहीं जा रहे, रादर देन सिंपली फोर्सिंग देम नहीं नहीं आपको जाना है क्योंकि हम फीस भरे एंड आपको जाना पड़ेगा. नाउ यू आर लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड स्कूल में जाके बच्चे के साथ क्या हो रहा है. नाउ आई थिंक अगेन इट्स अ बैड थिंग, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग रॉन्ग इन द स्कूल एंड पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अवेयर. And especially coming to the special kids, parents are not aware school में क्या जा रहा है. Parents want that हमारे बच्चा school जा रहा है and I want this thing to tell to my friends or the family members. He is going to an international school. Now again parents have this shame that non local school भेज दिया, but every parents want to tell that international school में भेज रहा हूँ मैं, even though that is out of our boundaries as well. हम डेप्थ्स ले करके भी वो लोगों को इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में भेजेंगे जस्ट टू शो टू द वर्ल्ड दैट माई किड इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू एन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. आई फील दैट अंडरस्टैंड योर किड्स, डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. आपका बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं जाना है, पहले ये रीज़न आपको सोचना चाहिए क्यों नहीं जाना है. इज ही ओके इफ आई सेंड हिम टू अदर स्कूल? इज द एनवायरमेंट दैट्स ट्रबलिंग हिम? बिकॉज आई थिंक we all know that it's not related to marks anymore. It's just the talent.
Right.
Just the talent. Now, before it's marks, lot of certificates, go, you will get the job. Now, if you get 100%, if you have 10 certificates also, it doesn't matter. It's just the talent. So, I think we all are growing. So, parents, I would suggest that don't do that mistake. Don't force your kid. So, if they are struggling to go to school, have a discussion. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है स्कूल में, कुछ किसी ने कुछ बोला है, ट्राई टू रेक्टिफाई, देन ट्राई टू चेंज द स्कूल, ट्राई टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल एज अ पेरेंट व्हेन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. सो दे विल ऑल्सो हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, अभी ये प्रॉब्लम आ गया, मेरे मम्मा पापा मेरे साथ है, सो आई कैन गो डिस्कस विद देम एंड आई कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो दैट शुड बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ शोइंग इट टू द सोसाइटी दैट ऐसा है. हाँ.
What to do if the child is hitting elders?
Again, I think we came back to the same question. Same, you learn the behavior. Now, abhi ek toxic family hai where the father always used to hit the mother, abuse the mother constantly, and mother is simply not taking stand for herself. She's simply accepting. Now, as a kid, he will see the male kid or the female kid. So there are again two ways. One where I don't want to be like my father, the other thing where I want to be like him because that is a good thing to do it. So that's when he tries to go out, tries to hit other people, and he feels like I'm very cool because there is nothing, because no one is stopping me. So a kid mindset is like that. So try, whenever we are doing something, we have to be very much conscious that ये चीज़ हमको बच्चे के सामने नहीं करना है. No matter we might think that he is only 2 years, he will not understand. It's not like that. They will understand. So where your subconscious mind, everything is registered, and that's gonna pop up when you grow into an adult or an individual. So when we are doing anything, you might have differences, but never do in front of the kid, because the brain will get affected. They get traumatized. So don't do that. Is my suggestion.
Okay. Usually, na parents are very much conscious about this. Ki like my kid is not studying, and other kids are studying. Like वो लोग compare
Yeah,
करते हैं
comparison.
usually. So how to make, if what to do, like if the kid is not studying or not even like not at all showing interest in studies.
Yeah. So first thing, I'll give you an example. Okay, that's a real case. So there was this kid. Parents sent him to the school every day from nursery to 10th class. He cleared. He went to the school, but all the classes he didn't clear the exams. All the classes he got failed. 10th class, which is the mandatory, हम लोगों को SSC देना होता है. So where you don't have an option. अब fail हो तो fail ही हो. So now parents just want them to push to the other class and not understand why the kid is actually struggling. So there is something called learning disability, where the kid have issues to learn, to memorize, to understand, to remember for a longer period of time. They have issue with writing. So they have now, if you remember Tare Zameen Par, the kid is facing dyslexia. So now I think we all are an individual with a capacity that's provided. Now if I ask you, Arif, you have to finish 10 essay questions within a span of 5 minutes. Will you be able to do it? We won't be able
No.
to do it. So that is not your capacity. Now if I give you 1 hour of time, maybe you can try. But I will take only 30 minutes because that is my caliber. So
Right.
now when you're comparing two kids, you need to understand what he's capable of. When the kid is not capable, no matter how much force or pressure you apply, he's not gonna clear. Now he couldn't clear the 10th exam. Now he's sitting at home. Now it's whose fault? The parents' fault and the teacher's fault. Now schools, I have heard this, that हम लोग TC नहीं देते बच्चों को. That is not allowed. But how are you promoting the kid when he is not caliber? When the kid is not good with the basics, how are you just letting him go to the another class instead of focusing and helping the kid? Now, if you don't know A to Z, how will you learn apple, ball, cat? You're simply promoting the kid, and they say that government तो ऐसे rules नहीं दिए. We can't give the TC. So you can promote the kid till 10th grade. So you're understanding the competition right now. So I think we all are being wrong at our own side. I think school, teachers, parents, we all need to do something about this. I think this is something needs to be considered seriously.
Right.
Yes.
How to treat equally how to treat equally between two kids, because usually यही होता है कि like एक को ज़्यादा प्यार मिलता है, एक को कम मिलता है, तो how to treat equally between both those kids?
Yes, I think parents love both the kids equally. Yes, that is the thing. But वो expression जो होता है ना, sometimes we miss out that expression. एक बच्चों को ज़्यादा express करिए, दूसरे बच्चों को कम express किया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि that we don't love both of them equally. We do love both the kids equally. But when you are expressing, no, don't show that the other kid is losing somewhere. So ये चीज़ again that will get registered that I am not loved much by my parents. They have this. They are so innocent. They don't understand all of this. So when you are expressing, no, either you express to both the kids or you don't express. Or when you are expressing to one person, try to do the same thing to other person. Because treating equally shows that वो लोग बड़े होके सबको ऐसे ही treat करना चाहिए. Now I think that happens only in the villages or something. I have seen people having fair kids. They love more, but the dusky they somewhere try to avoid.
Right.
So I think movies में भी ये दिखाते हैं. I think that is so wrong. Still we do that consciously or subconsciously, thinking that this is the way to do it. So that is not a way. Now when you are having two kids, you should give love, you should express love equally. So it's difficult to express every single time, but you can try, where you never allow your kid to feel left out, that mama papa मेरे से ज़्यादा नहीं प्यार करते, खाली भाई और बहन से करते. So that thing we need to be careful.
thank you so much, Shivani, for coming to our podcast.
Thanks, Arif. Thanks for calling me. I hope I have helped you and the people out there. I think we all need to educate constantly. I would say that educate, learn, update ourselves. Don't let's get stuck with the old things. We need to be loved, give love. That's it. Thanks, Arif.
So that's it for this episode, guys. Hope you all liked this episode. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.